Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Well, as you can tell, I think I'm going to call this video Jackpot, because as you can tell, I have finally found them. Well, a friend of mine found them and picked himself and myself up a set of them, and I have since found another set which I intend to do some trading on. I'm trying to work my way into a last year's little 510 Datsun Super Treasure Hunt. Hopefully be able to do some trading, but anyway, I'm going to show you all this. I have got the 6 vehicle set of the K5 Blazers. I'm sure you all have seen all of them by now, and I'll go ahead and spoil it for you. There is no chase in here. You just got the set of 6 vehicles, 6 Blazers. Right there you go. Finally. I've had them a couple of days, just haven't had time to make this video, been anxiously waiting, but right there you go. You've got the 73 GMC Sierra, you've got the 73 Sierra 4x4, you've got the 73 K5 Blazer, the 73 Sierra, it's dropped, 73 K5 Blazer with the flames, and like I said, none of these, I think the chase in these has the flames. Anybody drop a comment down there if you want to. And last but not least, you've got the, let me get this right, the 74 K5 Blazer. So there you have it. It's a pretty popular set right at the time of this video. People that sell them, they're going for pretty high on eBay. But like I said, this is my set that my friend found for me. The other set I picked up, I am going to try to trade my way into something that I want with it. So I'm going to stick these back in the pack and we'll move on. I'm just going to leave those sitting back there. It makes a pretty satisfying backdrop. So, well, here we've got a bunch of main lines. Some I have picked up myself. Some he's picked up for me. We do some trading around. I ain't going to go over all of them, but I'll just show them to you what we've got. An Acura, 57 Chevy, and an 05 Mustang. These are all main lines. There is none of these. Well, I think I have one treasure hunt in there. The Mustang I picked up, the Kit Super Pursuit Mode. I'd like to have the other one to go with it, and the Ford Focus RS. These are, of course, all 2022 cars. Another 57 Chevrolet and a 55 Bel Air Gasser. This one, I saw it sticking in the package and I thought I'd found the Super. But it's not. The Volkswagen Cafe Racer, a Batmobile, and another Mustang. I use the Mustangs for customizing, and I do some trading on those. The reason I end up with so many of them. I'll get these two first. 56 Ford, and we got another Toyota Tacoma. This one needs a paint job and a changing of the wheels. Here's a 5-car set that came from Food City. I'm sure it's starting to show up all around the YouTube and all around eBay. I got the entire set, 5-car. Got a couple of Johnny Lightnings coming up here. Got the import heat. It's got the 99 Skyline and a 92 240 SX and a Johnny Lightning. Those are a little pricey, but I liked them, so I went ahead and got them. In the Gulf, I'm trying to collect everything I can with the Gulf logo and stuff on it. So there's these. We got the 70 Mustang, Boss 302, and a 2005 Ford GT. Really nice cars. A little pricey, but there they are. Auto World. Got an Auto World 85 Chevrolet Silverado fleet side. These things are really, really detailed. This is not a chase or anything. I just happened to find it and thought I'd pick it up. Got the 20 and the 21 Ford Mustang set from the Hot Wheels car culture. They are the premiums. Nothing new, but I finally got a set of them, so show those. This might be a little bit of a lengthy video because I've just piled this side of the table full again out of my box. I picked up a another red Liberty Walk Nissan GT35, a red 99 Honda Civic Prelude. I've got a couple of the different colors, but I didn't have this one. The VW Bug, Got another one. There's another one of those in the stack somewhere. I'll show it here in a minute. The 17 Ford GT and a custom Acura Integra. This one's out of the JDM series. The J imports, I'm sorry. Called it the wrong thing. And everybody that watched the channel for any length of time knows I'm into the pickups. I mentioned earlier in the video that I like stuff with the Gulf logo and stuff on it. So we got this Johnny Lightning Zinger. I think these are pretty neat. A little exaggerated there, but pretty neat rides. Castings, I'm sorry. Acura NSX out of the Hot Wheels Boulevard Premiums. Some more mainline stuff. These are all mixed up. Just bear with me. This car, really like it. Can't say it. 70 Dodge Charger in the black and a lay-in lowrider. I got the tuned Barbie car. There it is in the picture. Don't know how I got it. Just picked it up. Nissan Z Proto and a 99 Honda Civic in yellow. And just screaming, do a wheel change on it, so not in this video, but I will. We've got the Ducati Scrambler dirt bike. We've got a Porsche 935, a Lotus Sports, and we've got the TV series Batmobile. One more mainline here, and that'll be done with those. Another color variation of the Mazda RX-3. Okay, M2s. Several different series, different odds and ends, so I just picked them up. We've got a 72 Chevrolet Z28. Frostbite. The box was a little messed up on it, but that's the only one they had, so I got it. Dodge Charger out of the Speed Dog series, 66 Dodge. I'm sorry, not Charger, but it's a Charger Gasser, 66 model. A 57 Chevrolet sedan delivery. They could have picked a better color for that one, but it's still a pretty nice layout. Casting. We got another 71 Chevrolet Camaro SS 396. Got a 65 Ford Falcon Club Wagon and with the Edelbrock logo. I'm sure I butchered that. I'll get pointed out, but this one here is 68 Pontiac Firebird with the Flowmaster deco and stuff on it. That's really nice casting. These M2s, I wish they'd lower the price a little. They are a little steep, but they make some nice castings. 50 Studebaker truck set up as a gasser. Really nice casting. Last but not least, we have two more of the Boulevards. This one I have already had one of, and I traded it off, so I ended up getting another one. Last but not least, like I done said, we got the VW. I've not been into the drag buses, but they're kind of growing on me, so we got the VW drag bus. Well, that's it. Kind of a lengthy video, but if y'all like the video, please like, share, subscribe. We do a lot of diecast. We do some work on our own vehicles, real life. I got a 68 Chevy pickup that I'm working on. Got a 85 S10. Check out the rest of my channel, Low 96 HB. Thanks. God bless. Have a great day. See you on the next one.